The 3D printer, it's cheap to use, it produces very intricate designs, and it saves on labor.
Imagine a landscape or a park like this without trees. That's what a little beetle can do. Polyphagous shuttle borer is an invasive ambrosia beetle.
This beetle kills a number of tree species, and it's also a huge threat to avocado trees. These beetles spend most of the time inside the tree where they drill and infest the tree with a fungus. We would normally use systemic insecticides or pesticides, but that relies on the water transporting system, and the beetle has just sabotaged the whole system, so they're sitting pretty. Having these 3D traps available, it allows you to study the impact of these pesticides.
Without the 3D printed trap, our research wouldn't be possible. Utilizing these traps, we are going to be able to find out whether we are able to control this beetle and fungus or not.
The 3D printers allow us to build more intricate and more cost-effective designs than we've ever been able to build using traditional shop methods. Entomology is reliant on trapping. The fact that this allows us to come up with prototypes very quickly is going to revolutionize how we actually study invasive species throughout America.